In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your own mood boards on Behance, whether you're revisiting your own collections or exploring those created by others. Navigating these creative spaces can enhance your experience on the platform. Let's dive right in and see how to access and manage your own mood boards. First, to find your mood boards, you'll need to start by clicking on your avatar located at the top right corner of the Behance homepage. This is your personal gateway to everything related to your profile. Once you've clicked your avatar, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select the Profile option. This will take you to your main profile page, where all your personal and professional information is housed. Once you're on your profile page, look towards the top area for the Mood Boards tab. This tab is your destination for all your creative boards. Clicking on this tab will open up a section dedicated specifically to mood boards, containing all the visual inspiration you've curated over time. Now comes the exciting part, locating a particular mood board you wish to view. Simply click on the specific mood board you want to explore. Once you do, it opens up to display all the images and projects you've gathered. It's like taking a walk through your curated gallery of inspiration, but viewing your mood boards is just the beginning. What if you want to organize them further or collaborate with others? Managing your mood boards is a straightforward process. On the open page of the mood board, you'll find the Edit Mood Board option. Clicking this opens up a range of management tools. Through this feature, you can add co-owners to your board, a fantastic option for collaborative projects where input and shared creativity are key. You can also edit the visibility settings. Deciding whether to keep it private or share it publicly is just a click away. Moreover, if inspiration strikes and you feel your board needs a fresh identity, renaming it is seamless and can inject new life into your collection. Finally, if there comes a time when a mood board no longer serves your purpose, you have the option to delete it entirely right from the Edit Mood Board page. This keeps your profile tidy and ensures only relevant, inspiring content is featured. And there you have it, the complete guide to viewing and managing your mood boards on Behance. With these steps, your creative universe is at your fingertips, and navigating through your inspirations is as simple as a few clicks. Whether you're organizing or merely exploring, mood boards offer a fantastic way to structure and showcase your creativity. Thanks for watching, and happy creating on Behance.